Hi everyone, good evening. This is Preetha Saha, counselor, back for another episode of Preetha Se Poocho. I hope each and every one of you are healthy and safe at home. You're taking good care of yourself and your loved ones, and you are taking good care of your mental health also in this very difficult situation of the lockdown. In today's episode, let us find out how to be productive in the lockdown and in the quarantine. First and foremost, very important to understand that this is not a productivity contest. There is a world pandemic that is going on. So it's okay if we take it a little bit slow. That's absolutely fine. It's very important that we don't burn out, because some of us are extremely anxious about what's happening, because maybe our friends or families are in trouble and we can't do anything to help them out. So it's very important to take it one day at a time. Having said that, we have so much time in our hands, so let us do something that is very, very effective and productive. So how do we do that? First and foremost, what you can do is you can make a timetable. A daily timetable will help you to figure out what are the chores and what are the responsibilities that you would like to handle every day, and make sure that you put a tick at the end of every task that you complete. So this will give you a sense of completion and a sense of control, even in this situation where nothing is in your control. It's very important that this to-do list does not overwhelm you. Don't put in like 500 tasks which you won't be able to complete, because then that will demotivate you even further. Take 5 tasks, like just dusting or grooming. So make separate sections for chores. If you are a student, then something for your studies. If you are employed, then obviously you will have to work, but keep a separate section for your hobbies. Spend some time for cooking. If you're living with family, keep at least 15 minutes to half an hour to spend time with your family, which is not just meal times, just having a good chat with them, just talking to them. What else can you do? You can make a vision board. Now when the lockdown is going to come to an end, maybe you can visualize certain things that you want to manifest in your life, and work on them. um, so here, I'll show you my vision board the next time. Right now I can't move my camera. So you can create a vision board and make sure that you are prepared for what it takes to reach those goals, and so you can write down those goals and break it down into doable steps, and take those baby steps each and every day. Be consistent. Momentum is very important. What you can also do is you can do a little bit of self-care, skin care, hair care, mental health care. So these are things that you can take care of in this quarantine time. Very, very important. If you're feeling overwhelmed कि नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे, do not down yourself. Do not insult yourself. Do not criticize yourself. Do not be angry with yourself. It is okay. You are not working from home. You are at home during a global crisis trying to work. These are two completely different scenarios. So if you're feeling unmotivated, demotivated, that is okay. Acknowledge that, because if you don't acknowledge your feelings, if you don't acknowledge your emotions right now, you will be burnt out, and that is going to be very ugly. Not just for yourself, but even people around you. When the lockdown is over and then when you have to go to work, you won't be able to be productive at all, because you will need time to recuperate from the lockdown. So take it one day at a time. In the meanwhile, you can update your website, you can update your CV, you can update your LinkedIn. You can try some recipes that you wanted to try, obviously keeping in mind that everything will not be available at home, and stepping out of the house every 5 minutes is not safe for anybody. So whatever it is at home, try to be happy in the bare minimum. We are very, very lucky. If you're watching this, you are very, very lucky. You know why? Because there's a roof on top of your head. You have food in your belly. You are safe. You get a bed to sleep on. There are so many people who don't get this basic necessities fulfilled. We are so much better off with them. Obviously we can't all be Ambanis and live in mansions, but if we are grateful for the even the little that we have, we will be able to overcome this in a more effective manner. So these are my few tips, to be productive in the quarantine. Please take care of yourselves. I am praying for each and every one of us. Please stay safe, please stay healthy. We are going to get through this together. This is Preetha Saha, counselor, signing off. Hugs and healing. I'm always there for you.